Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to Breakout Trading. It is Monday, July 27th, and I didn't trade too much stocks today. Small caps continue to be super choppy and have pretty much zero follow through on any of the plays. They're not good to trade still. So these are the two leading gappers here. Not much at all going on in small cap land lately. What I mostly made money on today was trading Bitcoin. I had a really nice trade all the way from 9,500. So I got long Bitcoin around here. 9,525 was my entry, and I sold on the way up just now, taking my final piece of profit off as this thing taps 11,000. Get rid of these. So really nice trade here on Bitcoin. The reason that I actually entered this thing was because on the daily there was this triangle break right here, and I was waiting for a candle to close above 9,500, which it did, and then this thing just took off after. So I'm all out now, even though I like the setup for a bit more of a long term. See, if you go to the weekly here, you can see that this area has acted as resistance for a long time, and we finally broke up past it. So any sort of retest down here I'll be watching in the coming week or two, and trying to build a new long position around 9,000 or around 10,500 and ride this thing up, see if we can't get somewhere around 14K. That'd be pretty sweet. So yeah, that's Bitcoin. I nailed the trade. I'm pretty happy with myself for that one. Really nice parabolic move now. Glad I'm kind of all out. So we're definitely where the smart money is selling. I'll bring up this thing. So here's my trade plan. You can see right here. I don't know if I can't zoom in on this. But I entered then in there at 9,525 on July 22nd there, and then you can see that the position just increases. So July 25th we're up 23%, if you can see that. July 25th. July 26th up. Now we're up 50-something%. This thing's all messed up, so I don't really know how to zoom in on it. Later in that day, this thing is up, the position up 97% now. So I took a little piece off the table there. I took off 50% at around 10,200, and then now we're at 109%, and I rolled this thing all the way up to 135% gain on Bybit, and then this is the profits from the trade is 136.68 USD, and my position I was only risking, well, I was risking $100, so it was about a 1-to-1. Yeah, really great trade. I'm happy with how that went. And then because Bitcoin's ripping so much, we did have a few sympathy plays here on some actual stocks. So the two sympathy plays were on Mara and on RIOT. I traded RIOT a little bit here. But what we'll do is for the stocks, we just went over the Bitcoin trade. For the stocks now, we'll start on Sogo. So this was a, what was Sogo? Chinese web search company. It has a massive float though, and I'm pretty sure it's traded by algos, like algorithms, because yeah, look at the trading now. Because all morning it was just sideways. I've never really seen that before in a stock. I'll run the live clip after this. But I got long here at 8.47, and then it just really didn't want to break up at all. Every time it was moving upwards, it'd get stuffed with a bunch of sell orders, so I could pretty much feel that it was an algorithm selling. So I sold out there for pretty much break even, losing 38 cents plus commissions. So that's probably down like $1 or so. And then as you can see, this thing completely just stayed sideways all day with zero volume. So really weird action there. And then I just pretty much traded RIOT, which is a blockchain company. Obviously, like I said, simply sympathy play from Bitcoin. And as you can see, actually right here, the only reason I got long was because Bitcoin was breaking out huge here. And I was watching it earlier today, and I actually noticed that every time Bitcoin made a huge move, this one would make a nice push as well, like 1 or 2 minutes later. So I got long right there, Bitcoin pushed, and I sold here, and because it was having some troubles getting over $3. And then this other one too, Mara is another sort of blockchain digital currency company, and it's also moving up pretty good here too, bit more than RIOT, as you can see. So there's a difference there. They aren't the exact same stock. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So I'm ending the day up like $4 on stocks and ending the day up like 130 US trading Bitcoin. So pretty good morning. I can't complain. Hopefully small caps get some more action because this is freaking boring how they've been trading. Just so lame. Yeah, it's been really bad for small caps lately, so I'm really hoping that some sort of momentum comes back this week. Anyways, guys, I'll see you tomorrow. Peace. Alright, guys, I just went long on RIOT. This is the reason. Bitcoin now breaking above this huge resistance line. Squeezing up here a lot, so we went long RIOT for the sympathy play. We'll see how that works out. Once Bitcoin makes a move, it usually takes about a minute or two for the sympathy play to come through on RIOT, but we'll see here if it wants to break 3 or not. Looks like we're sort of slowing down slightly. There's a nice volume pop there. There's 3. I'm going to sell half into a move up through 3 if we can get it. Lots of sellers there at 3. Going to break through that buy wall any second now, or that sell wall any second. So let's put an order out there for 303. See if we can't get filled up there. A bit of a pullback. Okay. Ooh. That was nasty. I do like the volume coming in here. Once again, Bitcoin is ripping, so that is the sympathy play that we're doing right now. Right here. And now we're back up here at $3. Gonna sell it there, realizing $5 there. It was just slowing down a bit, and I was hoping it'd rip a bit more over 3, but it'll probably still continue up, but I just wanted to lock in those gains there.